Well, welcome back to the channel on a very misty Berkshire morning here, but it's been my pleasure this week to help run in this new car that we've just finished. It's a 1990 Carrera 4 Cabriolet that we've turned into a wide-bodied coupe. It's a beautiful car. It's finished in Etna Blue. I think it's one of the most stunning cars we've produced in the last couple of years. So in this car we've taken the colourway from the outside. Interior wise we've finished it in a similar kind of blue leather with a Spirit of Le Mans cloth that's been taken all the way through the dashboard or around the outside of the cabin. Really special interior on this car. In the back, we've got a standard 3.6 twin spark from the 964. Obviously it's had a complete engine rebuild. We've added throttle bodies to the car and it's developing about 300 brake horsepower with a custom exhaust as well. So this car has been purpose built for one of our customers, but of course we can build you one too, from start to finish, full nut and bolt restoration obviously, and with this one a little bit longer because of the roof being added to the Cabriolet, around about a year from start to finish.